The Chinese yuan surpasses the US dollar as the most traded currency in Russia. Western sanctions are making the Russian ruble less popular domestically. Russia is now turning to the use of the Chinese yuan instead of the USD or euro. However, the popularity of the yuan is still limited due to capital control policies and geopolitical risks. Egypt secretly supplies 40,000 missiles to Russia. Egypt has reportedly transported around 40,000 missiles to Russia to supplement the dwindling ammunition supply due to the conflict in Ukraine, according to leaked U.S. intelligence documents cited by The Washington Post. This information is affecting the relationship between the U.S. and Egypt. Oil prices pause at 1 mth high ahead of U.S. inventories, CPI data. Oil prices in Asia are slightly increasing, waiting for U.S. inflation and inventory data. The OPEC Plus supply cut is helping to keep short-term prospects for oil prices optimistic. Investors are also concerned about the slowdown in economic growth and expectations that the Chinese government will implement additional stimulus measures to support growth. Ex-Deutsche Bank investment banker charged in U.S. with crypto fraud. A former investment banker at Deutsche Bank has been charged with misusing funds from investors whom he claimed he would help gain significant profits from cryptocurrency trading. Rashawn Russell, 27, raised investment capital from friends and colleagues, but instead used the money for gambling and personal expenses. He is accused of online fraud from November 2020 to August 2022. Deutsche Bank declined to comment on the matter. Fed's Kashkari, recession possible, but high inflation would be worse. On Tuesday, Neil Kashkari, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis, warned that the Fed's rate hikes and potential lending pullback due to the two bank failures last month could cause an economic downturn. However, Kashkari stated that continuing high inflation would be worse for the job market. He anticipates that inflation will stay at an average of 3% by the end of this year, higher than the Fed's 2% target. The Fed's forecast indicates that most of the Fed policymakers expect inflation to decrease to a range of 3% to 3.8% by the end of the year, with a median forecast of 3.3%.